Got a service call on this motor. It's all kind of noise. So I'm gonna pull the motor. I'm hoping that is what the noise was. No, it still makes noise. Yeah. They're gonna need a new motor. And
so this big simple.
yeah. The next day. Idiots installed this. They didn't put it up. They didn't put anything in the pan before they put this on there. And now it's hard to get that out. Geniuses. Okay. Whew. This tiny little cap for this thing. Can't get to the screw. I don't think I'm going to mount that the same way they did. Not sure what size that is. It's 3/8. Alright. There's the old. Out with the old. And in with the new. all kind of good stuff. All right. Alright, I got the belly band on the new one. The little inserts in there. And I've got my grommet plug wire. And I had to do a little instruction reading. But you got, if you're going with a 3rd horsepower, the blue becomes the high. So yeah, on the old one, blue was, I think, medium or something. Anyway, I'm gonna get this thing put in. All right, got it all mounted and in there, labeled. Now I just need to tighten the wires up and fire it up. Alrighty, we'll call that one done. Hey, I know how that is. Okay. Where was the thermostat? Oh yeah, it's over here. Let's see. I don't even think this is barely attached here. Just flapping all over the place here. These tiny screws in here. I don't know what that is. That. When it doesn't have a common, it's not as important to turn the power off. I'm just doing this hot. Because it's not like I'm gonna trip if the red touches the, green wire, the fan will just come on. If it touches the red, so on and so forth. So, looks like it does have enough wires to do without batteries, but I think I'm just gonna make it battery. I'm going through all that. Get my screws. I'll probably need an actual screwdriver. A full-size screwdriver here. And where is it? There she blows. like to screw my screw in first. That way I can get it mounted. It's easier to screw it in when I'm holding the thermostat on there. Get a good start on it. Nice. That one hit the stud at least. One thing I don't like about these thermostats is you can't fit a 6-in-1 in there. It doesn't have enough space, you know. See, and get it most of the way in, and then it just floats. You have to use something smaller like this. Wonderful. All right. Let's see. I will hook up W first. Why not? Oh no, I don't like this. What is this? There we go. Let's see. G. Uh-oh. G wire broke off. Great. Had to put that G wire back on. I'll have to have that behind there. this. And the yellow wire. I'm almost done here. Always make sure this is flipped the right way. And now. Beautiful. Forget what they had this one set to. 72.